So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the interesting topic. What is BPO and contact center? What is front office? What is contact center? What is back office? I'm going to cover it in this topic. I'm at San Francisco airport. I'm heading to Las Vegas now to attend one of the BPO and contact center industry conference. So stay tuned, keep watching more videos. But coming back to the topic, what is BPO and contact center? So BPO is business process outsourcing. It consists of various functions. So any business which has outsourced their functions to a third party company is business process outsourcing. Those functions typically are divided into two functions. One is front office, second is back office. So we can say contact center and back office. Contact center typically handles tasks like technical support, debt collection, customer support, inbound sales, outbound sales. Those are the functions handled by the contact center or the front office. The back office handles data processing, data mining, accounting. These are the functions which are handled, or the chat support. These are functions handled by the back office support. If you're starting your business, typically the pricing which you can offer it to your clients for the front office, typically it goes to around $10 to $12 per hour if you are giving the support from India or Philippines, any of these developing countries. Or if you are giving back office services, then the typical price ranges from $5 to $7. So if you will talk about it in a monthly, the monthly pricing, it goes to around $1,600 for the front office, whereas around $1,000 to $1,200 per month per employee for the back office. The best examples of the contact center and BPO industry, how companies are outsourcing it and how they're getting the benefit from it. I will give you some examples. So the top five industries which have been outsourcing a lot of functions to India and the Philippines. The major top industries would be the biggest banks like JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Mastercard, or you can consider airlines like Delta Airlines, United Airlines, Air Canada. They have their back office, or they even have their sales and customer support done by India. The third one will be like insurance, then the telecom industry, and e-commerce like Amazon. So these are top five industries which have been outsourcing to developing countries. Now, if we talk about the other industries which are still have not completely outsourced, or they have not seen the benefit, but I think there is a lot of potential there. I think those are the best industries which any startup, small, mid-sized contact centers, BPOs can target. Those five industries could be financial institutions. The second could be healthcare. Third one is real estate, transportation, travel, and the small businesses, in the developed countries. So those are the main industries. That's mean about, those are the main functions done by the BPO and contact center. I'm going to Las Vegas to attend one of the industry conference about contact center and BPO. So I'll be going there tomorrow. I'm at San Francisco airport now, so I should be reaching by evening. And then tomorrow and day after tomorrow for 2 days, I'll be attending that conference, having few meetings here, and then we'll be heading back to India next week. So in case if you have any questions, if you're associated with the BPO contact center industry, make sure that you share this video with at least few people in our industry so they also get benefited. Don't keep this knowledge only to yourself, but share it in our industry. So also, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and give a thumbs up so you will get notifications on my future videos. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.